second of the game. He had the secondary helper on Hintz's game-opening tally. And for the third time, the Stars have pulled in front by a goal. It's cat and mouse all night long here at American Airlines Center. That redirects on Oettinger. Save made, kept alive. And Oettinger, what a glove save! He for sure looked down and out. How did he keep it out? Stops that one. Covers it, and they rise to their feet to salute Jake Oettinger.
Oh, this is larceny. Bunting can't believe it. Comes in. He has an open net. And Jake Oettinger, burglary with the left hand. What a stop. Bunting with a massive cranium ache as he swerved in behind the net. Oettinger preserves the one-goal lead for the Stars with a mastodonic stop here in the third. I'd say, yeah, he's on his game.